to show you how to open B Network, Pi Network, Rubi, Sidira, and Bondex app. Because I tell you earlier for my video that I dropped that I'm gonna show you how to open all these 5 apps that I mentioned in my last video. How to open it. If you don't know how to open it, I will show you from starting to the ending. Okay, from you register from A to Z. Okay, and you start to mine. Okay, yeah. So now I this heading. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe because I'm dropping massively updates. Yeah.
So guys, when you are in Pi, like you've already installed a Pi down, maybe if it's Play Store, you install it in Play Store. If it's Apple Store, you install it in Apple Store. You understand? So let me just log out because I've already know. Like, let me tell you how to log out. Okay, you show you how to log out. So guys, when you have already installed your Pi Network, I want to start from Pi Network. How to log in Pi Network, okay, and register. How to show you how to register in Pi Network. So if you already install your Pi Network, if it's placed to Apple Store, you just come. You can continue with your Facebook, you can continue with your phone number, you can sign it with your Apple, with your iCloud. But if it's in Android, you know, show Apple, just show you continue with your Facebook with your phone number. So I advise you to continue with your Facebook or with your phone number, anyone that you are. But me, I'm continuing with my what they call with my number. So anyone, so you just come here, change your state. If any state you are in, if you are in United States, in Nigeria, or any place, you just change it. Okay, of course, we just search up and see it. Okay, different okay. But if you say that it's at
The state
that you are finding is not here, okay, you just come and continue. You just close your eye and continue with your Facebook. Yeah, and you know if you know that your Facebook, you have the password, everything in your head, so you just continue. So let me just tell you, just press continue. Okay, just continue with your Facebook. So you just continue with it. So it's loading. So boom, that is all. That you see, that is all. So just mine it. So if you have already registered, just simple. Okay, simple. So if you don't do your KYC yet, let me know under the comment section. I will show you how to do your KYC. Okay, so simple. That is all. I've already registered your Pi Network. Okay, so if it's in B Network, it's the same thing. Just continue with your email, continue with your Facebook, with your phone number. It's everything is the same. It's just easy. But I know some people will still be hard for them, but that's why I say let me show you. So let me just log out. Let me sign out. So when you install your Pi Network in your Play Store or Apple Store, the thing will show like that. So you will just sign in, see it like that. You will sign it. So you will continue with your phone number or your email or with your Apple. If it's what they call, if it's iPhone, they will show you continue with your Apple. But if it's not iPhone, it's Android, they will not show you this place. So you just continue with your Google, continue with your Facebook. You understand? Continue with your phone number or your anyone. So I prefer you to continue with your Google, guys. Continue with your Google. So you just press this place, continue. You continue with it, guys. You see, you continue with it, guys. Don't play, guys.
I have informed everybody many times that
B Network. So let's head in to Bondex. How to register in Bondex. Everything is the same thing. How to register in Bondex. Okay, everything is the same thing, guys. Everything is the same thing. So you just let me log out. So when you install your app, we just show you like that the dashboard. We just come and press create account. You put your email. Then we show you continue. Then we send you OTP code to your email directly. You go and enter your email and get the code and paste it here and continue. And they will tell you that to put a password. So we put your password. That is all. So make sure that the password you put, don't forget it. Okay, make sure that you cram it on your head, or if you know that you forget it, just screenshot it and hide it anywhere. Okay, or you write it down so you not forget it. Okay, that is all. Simple how to register in Bondex. Everything is this, everything is just simple. So let me log in my Bondex back. So and when I log in, I'll tell you how to continue again with the next one. So I've already told you how to register in Pi, how to register in Binet, how to register in Bondex. So it remains Sidira. Or let's head into Rubi. Sorry, let me head to Rubi. So I want you, the last one will just be like Sidira. The last one will be Sidira. So we become Rubi. So we become a Rubi. Rubi 2 is the same thing. Everything is the same thing with Sidira, guys. Everything is the same. It's not even art. They will just try to continue with your phone number or your email. Everything is just the same thing, guys. The same thing. You understand me? Everything is the same thing. So you understand. Or let me just do it for you, because like I make a video, I will not show you everything complete, but everything is the same thing. Everything is the same thing. So if you understand the first one, you understand the second one, the third one, the last one will not be hard for you again, because everything I promise, everything is the same thing. So let me just log out and log in again back for you, so you know. So guys, if you do not do your KYC yet in B Network, in Rubi, in Pi, in Bondex, in Sidira, guys, let me know. Tell me under the comment section. I will make a video for you how to do all this one, your KYC, guys. Okay? Yeah, because I like someone to tell me under the comment section that, guy, I don't know this. I'll make a video for you, guy. Okay? Because I love all my subscribers. I love all of you now. Okay? So anything that you tell me, I'm gonna do it. So I don't know. I think it's how to log out. Sorry. Okay. So I'll just be the same thing, guys. Because I want to put my password. So everything is the same thing, guys. Guys, all is the same thing. Everything is the same thing. B Network, Pi, Bondex. Everything is the same thing, guys. So I don't want to waste your time. That's why I say let's just go and register on it. Okay, everything is the same thing. So see you on the next video. Thanks.